At Babylon National School, we emphasize the importance of connecting classroom learnings with real-world experiences, aligning our educational approaches with themes that inspire deeper understanding and action. This term, the theme Our Surroundings guided our journey, encouraging students to explore and appreciate the natural world while recognizing the role in preserving it. Through a carefully curated excursion to EduFarm, our students delved into the wonders of nature, engaging directly with vibrant plants, diverse ecosystems, and the intricate balance of life around them. By observing and interacting with their surroundings, they learned how plants grow, how animals behave, and how each element of the ecosystem plays a vital role in sustaining life. This hands-on experience breathed life into the theme Our Surroundings, showing students the interconnectedness of the environment and their responsibility within it. Not only deepened their knowledge of ecological systems, but also embraced a sense of stewardship, understanding how small actions can contribute to a healthier planet. From planting saplings to observing animal behaviors, every activity tied back to the theme, leaving students with a lasting impression of the beauty and fragility of our surroundings. This immersive approach connected academic learning with real-world application, transforming the theme into a lived experience that was both educational and unforgettable.